September 14th, 2025, 9:32 a.m. Alex Chen opens his trading terminal. Account balance, $47,000. Life savings. He enters his trade. Setup looks good. Stop loss set at $800. Everything according to plan. 6 hours later, his account reads $34,000. $13,000. Gone. Not from one bad trade, from 4 identical mistakes. Mistakes that 90% of traders make. Let me show you what happened in real time. Here's what's strange. 10,000 trading accounts. Analyzed. Different markets. Different strategies. Different experience levels. But the same 4 mistakes. 78%. Panic override their stops. 85%. Revenge trade after losses. 92%. Hold losing trades too long. 71%. See patterns that aren't there. This isn't Alex's problem. This is everyone's problem. So, why? 200,000 years ago, your brain's job was simple. Keep you alive. Hunter in the jungle. Hears rustling in bushes. Brain screams, "Danger!" 0.2 seconds. Body runs. That instant reaction saved your ancestor's life. Fast forward to today. You're watching a trade. Red candle drops. Same brain screams, "Danger!" 0.2 seconds. Hand hits close button. Same survival system. But now, it's destroying your account. Your brain can't tell the difference between a lion in the jungle and a red candle on screen. Both look like threats. Both trigger the same instant reaction. And that's your trading problem. Let's break it down. 4 traps. 4 instant reactions. Trap 1. Lightning panic. Your brain reacts before you think. 0.2 seconds. Trap 2. Revenge spiral. I need to win it back now. Emotion overrides logic. Trap 3. Hope prison. It'll come back. Just wait. Small loss becomes disaster. Trap 4. Pattern hallucination. Your brain sees setups in random noise. Good news? Each trap has a specific counter system. Not willpower, not discipline. Architecture. Let me show you each one. 4 traps, 4 systems. System 1. Pre-trade protocol. Decide your plan when you're calm. Lock it in before entry. System 2. Break protocol. Force yourself away from screen after any loss. 15 minutes. System 3. Red line system. Maximum loss decided before trade. Auto close. No override. System 4. Validation checklist. 7 checkpoints. Pattern must pass all 7, or no trade. Coming up, each trap in detail, the psychology, the exact system, and how Alex rebuilt his account with these 4 tools. September 14th, 9:47 a.m. Alex's trade is open. Price drops toward his stop. His stop loss, $49.50, $800 risk. Watch what happens in real time. 9:47, 23 seconds. Price drops fast. 9:47, 23.2 seconds. His hand moves. 9:47, 23.6 seconds. Position closed. His stop would have triggered at 9:47, 24.1 seconds. He closed. 0.5 seconds too early. Cost? Instead of minus $800 loss, minus $2,400. 78% of traders do this. Not because they're weak, because 0.2 seconds beats rational thought. Imagine you're driving. Deer jumps on the road. 0.15 seconds. Your foot slams the brake. You didn't think brake, you just braked. That's your survival system. Instant reaction. Now, you're trading. Red candle drops fast. 0.2 seconds. Your hand hits close button. You didn't think close, you just closed. Same survival system, same instant reaction. Problem? In the car, instant reaction saves you. In trading, instant reaction destroys your plan. Your brain reacts first. By the time you remember, wait, I have a stop loss, too late. Already clicked. You can't stop the panic reflex, but you can stop yourself from acting on it. The pre-trade protocol, 4 steps. Step 1. Plan before entry. Entry price, stop price, target price, position size, risk amount. Write it down. Step 2. Pre-commit all orders. Enter your stop-loss order before position opens. Enter your take-profit order before position opens. Once position is live, plan is locked. Step 3. The lock-in. Physical reminder. Sticky note on monitor. Plan is locked. No manual overrides allowed. Step 4. Execution block. When panic hits, close button is disabled, or hidden, or you can't override stop. Here's why it works. But panic fades 3 to 5 seconds. By the time your hand finds disabled button, rational brain returns. Oh right, I have a plan. Real example. Alex, trade number 23. Price drops. Hand moves to close. Button grayed out. 4 seconds of panic. Price bounces. Would have panic sold at minus 800. Instead, plus $1,200 win. 10:15 a.m. Alex just closed that $2,400 loss. He's angry, frustrated, and his brain is screaming one thing. Win it back! Watch the spiral. Opens new trade. 2 times normal position size. Analysis time, 0 minutes. Entry reason? I need this win. Result? Minus $3,200. Now he's more angry. Opens another trade. 3 times normal size. Minus 4,100. The spiral doesn't stop until the account dies. 85% of traders revenge trade. Average revenge trade win rate, 23%. Normal trade win rate, 45%. Why the drop? Because you're not trading for edge, you're trading for relief. Picture a kid at the playground. Drops their ice cream, starts crying. I want another one right now. Parent says, you need to wait. Calm down first. No, right now. Can you reason with that kid? No, because emotion is too high. Logic is offline. Now, you just took a loss. Brain is screaming, I need to win it back right now. Trading plan says, you need to wait. Analyze first. You, no, I'm trading now. Can you reason with yourself? No, because emotion is too high. Rational brain is offline. When emotion bar is maxed, IQ drops by half. You can't think straight. You can only feel the need to fix it. You can't stop the emotion spike, but you can stop yourself from trading during it. The break protocol, 4 steps. Step 1, auto trigger. Any loss? Break protocol activates. Trading platform. Locked for 15 minutes. Timer starts. Cannot override. Step 2, physical removal. Stand up, leave your desk. Mandatory. Walk outside. Push-ups, cold water, anything physical. Rule: no phone trading apps during break. Step 3, brain reset activities. 5-minute walk around the block, deep breathing, call a friend. Goal: physical activity, resets emotion. Step 4, rational re-entry. After 15 minutes, timer unlocks platform. Before trading, answer these questions. Why did that loss happen? What's my emotional state? Do I see a real setup? If emotional score above 5, stay locked. Here's why it works. Emotion peaks immediately after loss. Rational brain returns in 10 to 15 minutes. Break protocol forces you to wait for rational brain. Real example. Alex, October 8th, takes minus $1,200 loss, wants to trade immediately. Break protocol, locked out, walks around building, returns after 15 minutes. Emotion, calm, reviews charts, no good setups, closes platform for the day. Saved, would have revenge traded, and lost another $2,000. 11:30 a.m. Alex enters a new trade. Immediately, minus $300 loss. His thought, just a small pullback, it'll reverse. But it doesn't reverse. Minus 500, just a bit more. Minus 1,000, it has to bounce here. Minus 2,000, I'm right on this, I know I am. Minus 4,000, please, just come back. Minus 5,800. Finally closes. Can't take the pain anymore. His stop loss was $500. He held it to 5,800. Why? Hope. 92% of traders do this. Average, small $300 loss. Grows to 2,100. Your phone screen is cracked. Badly. But you keep using it. Maybe it'll work better. Screen gets worse. You keep hoping. Maybe if I restart it. Friend says, just replace it. You, but I already spent $800 on this one. Now, your trade is clearly losing. But you keep holding. Maybe it'll reverse. Loss gets worse. You keep hoping. Maybe if I wait longer. System says, just close it. You, but I already lost $2,000. Here's the trap. Losing $500 hurts, but admitting you were wrong hurts more. So your brain chooses, don't close it. If you don't close, you're not wrong yet. Hope keeps you trapped. Reality doesn't improve. You can't stop your brain from hoping, but you can stop yourself from acting on hope. The red line system. 5 steps. Step 1. Predefine your red line. Before any trade, maximum acceptable loss. Formula. 1 to 2% of account per trade. $50,000 account? Red line. $500 to $1,000. Write it down. Step 2. Calculate position size. Entry, $50. Stop, $49.50. Risk per share, 50 cents. Max risk, $1,000. Position size, 2,000 shares. Maximum. Step 3. Automatic execution. Best method. Hard stop loss order. Placed with entry. Can't override, can't move, can't delete. Step 4. The acceptance phase. Before entry, say out loud or write, if this trade hits my stop, I will lose $800. I accept this risk. I will not move my stop. Sign it in your journal. Step 5. Post-stop protocol. Stop hits, position auto closes. Immediate action, break protocol. 15 minutes away. No revenge trading. No let me try again. Advanced technique. Trailing red line. Trade moves in profit, red line moves up, never down. Entry, 50. Stop, 49.50. Price hits 51, move stop to 50.25, lock profit. Price hits 52, move stop to 51.50, lock more profit. Rule. Red line only moves toward profit, never toward loss. Here's why it works. Red line removes decision-making. Stop hits equals trade closes. No choice. No, should I hold a bit longer? No, maybe it'll turn around. Just stop hit equals done. Real example. Alex, November 3rd. Enters at $51. Red line stop, 50.25. Max loss, 750. Price drops to 50.30. 50.28. 50.26. Alex thinking, it might reverse here. Stop at 50.25 auto triggers. Closed. Minus 750 loss. Price continues to 49.20. Red line saved him from minus $1,800 loss. 2:30 p.m. Alex is down $18,000. He needs a trade, a good one, to save the account. So he stares at charts and sees certainty. Perfect head and shoulders, volume confirming, MACD divergence, Fibonacci 61.8. All the signals aligning right now. This is it. He enters, all in, $29,000. 2:52 p.m. Stopped out. The perfect pattern? Random noise. False breakout. Liquidity trap. Account balance, $0. 71% of traders overtrade false patterns. Most patterns have 50-50 outcome. They look perfect because you need them to be perfect. Look at clouds. That one looks like a face. That one's a dog. That one's a dragon. Reality? Random cloud formations. But your brain sees patterns. Now look at a chart. That looks like head and shoulders. That's a triangle. That's a flag. Reality? Random price movements. But your brain sees patterns. This is called Pareidolia. Your brain evolved to overdetect patterns. 200,000 years ago, see shape in bushes? Assume threat. Survive. Miss the threat? Death. So you inherited a brain that sees patterns. Everywhere. In jungle, false alarm costs nothing. In trading, false pattern costs $1,600. After losing, brain is desperate for winning setup. So it sees patterns in pure noise. To kill the illusion, demand evidence. The validation checklist, 7 checkpoints. When you see a pattern, it must pass all 7. Checkpoint 1, time frame alignment. Pattern visible on 3+ time frames. Same direction on 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Checkpoint 2, volume confirmation. Volume increasing with trend, volume decreasing on pullbacks. Checkpoint 3, structure clarity. Clear support resistance levels. Pattern has defined boundaries. Checkpoint 4, risk-reward ratio. Minimum 1 to 2 RR from entry to target. Stop placement logical. Checkpoint 5, market context. Overall market trend supports trade. No major news in next 48 hours. Checkpoint 6, emotional state check. Not trading after recent loss. Not feeling desperate. Not revenge trading. Checkpoint 7, time requirement. Minimum 5 minutes of analysis. Checked against journal database. Scoring system. Each checkpoint equals 1 point. Maximum 7 points. Required to trade 6+ points. 5 or less? Not a valid pattern. Skip. Here's why it works. Your brain screams, "Trade now, perfect setup." Checklist says, "Okay, let's verify that." Completing 7 checks takes 5 minutes minimum. During those 5 minutes, initial excitement fades, desperation calms, rational brain returns. 70% of time? Actually, this isn't that great. Only 30% pass all 7 checks. Those 30%? Much higher win rate. Real example. Alex, December 12th. Sees perfect flag pattern. Gets excited. Starts checklist. Checkpoint 1. Fails. only visible on 5-minute chart. Checkpoint 2. Fails. No volume confirmation. Score, 2 out of 7. Trade, skipped. Price goes nowhere. Would have been break-even at best. Checklist saved him from wasted time, wasted capital, wasted energy. Now connect all 4 systems. Your psychological operating system. Professionals don't rely on mood. They rely on rails. System 1. Pre-trade protocol. Plan when calm. Lock before entry. No panic overrides. System 2. Break protocol. Any loss triggers 15-minute lockout. Forced physical reset. System 3. Red line system. Max loss decided before trade. Auto stop. No hope holding. System 4. Validation checklist. 7 checkpoints, 6+ required. Evidence over excitement. These 4 systems create decision-free trading. You're not fighting your brain anymore. You built a system that your brain can't hijack. But systems aren't enough. You need to build yours. Here's how. Building your psychological operating system. 4 weeks, 1 system per week. Week 1. Pre-trade protocol. Every trade, write plan before entry. Entry, stop, target, size, risk. Enter stop-loss order before position opens. Physical reminder, sticky note. Plan is locked. No overrides, period. Week 2. Break protocol. Install platform auto-lock script. 15-minute timer. Any loss triggers lockout. Stand up, leave desk. Physical activity required. Walk, push-ups, cold water. No phone trading during break. Week 3. Red line system. Calculate 1 to 2% max risk per trade. Use position size calculator. Enter hard stop loss with every entry. Pre-trade acceptance. Write and sign risk acknowledgement. Trailing stop rules defined. Week 4. Validation checklist. Create 7 checkpoint template. Print it. Stick to monitor. No trade without completing all 7 checks. Score must be 6+. Keep screenshot library. Valid patterns versus false patterns. By week 4, your system is running. Not perfect, but functional. Then comes the test. Live market with real money. Let me show you. Alex's Rematch. March 20th, 2026. 6 months after the disaster. Alex rebuilt his account. 34,000 to 41,000, not spectacular, but consistent. Today's trading session, watch the difference. 9:32 a.m., opens trade. Pre-trade protocol, plan written, stop placed, locked. Price drops towards stop. Old Alex. Panic, override, close early. New Alex. Stop is locked, can't override, waits. Stop triggers, minus $800 loss, as planned. 10:15 a.m. Break protocol activates. Platform locked, 15 minutes. Old Alex. Revenge trade, double size, loses 3,200. New Alex. Walks outside, deep breath, returns after 15 minutes. Emotion, calm. Reviews charts, no valid setups, closes platform. Saved, another $2,000 revenge loss. 11:30 a.m. New trade, enters small loss position. Old Alex. Holds with hope. Loss grows to 5,800. New Alex. Red line at 500. Stop triggers. Auto closes. Loss contained. Minus 500. Not minus 5,800. 2:30 p.m. Sees perfect pattern. Old Alex. All in. 29,000. False breakout. Account to 0. New Alex. Runs validation checklist. Score, 3 out of 7. Time frame, fails. Volume, fails. Trade, skipped. Price goes nowhere. Would have been another trapped loss. End of day. 1 loss, minus 800. 3 temptations, all avoided. Account, 41,000 to 40,200. Small loss, but controlled. Over 6 months. Win rate, 43%, same as before. But average loss, down 68%. Because systems contain disasters. One good day no longer erased by one bad day. That's the difference. Not perfection. Protection. Your turn. 4 systems, 4 weeks. Build them. Week 1, pre-trade protocol. Lock your plan. Week 2, break protocol. 15-minute reset. Week 3, red line system. Max loss. Auto stop. Week 4, validation checklist. 7 checkpoints. Your brain's instant reactions? Can't change them. But you can build systems that your brain can't hijack. Not about being fearless, about being systematic. The market will always trigger your survival brain. But now, you have the rails. Start with System 1 this week. Build your psychological operating system. Because the best traders, they don't have better discipline. They have better architecture.